Well, there's a lot of stuff going on over here. Lots of stuff growing. Came out here and checked on some potatoes. It looks like we've got some reds that are in. It's even a little sprig that'll probably keep going until fall. Maybe make me some seeds or some new potatoes. I'm game. But this is the kind of stuff that we get here in my Back to Eden garden. And we got a break from the heat today. It's about 83 degrees. Figured I'd come out, get here, start the curing process a little bit, take them, investigate the other plants, see how they're doing. You know, reach in with a gloved hand is what I always say, and check, inspect. That's how you know when you're going to get a decent little take. Even small ones like this, these can be used as seeds. So I'll be saving all of this stuff. It's good stuff. Beautiful. I mean, totally organic. Y'all can see the media that I grew them in. I mean, look it down here. Does that look like it's something special? It's not. It's just that there's more of the blacker, darker stuff here because I have a deeper lay of it up high here on the hill. So that's where I put the initial seeds. They come out fine. Fish hydrolysate, compost tea, maybe a little bit of bone meal at first. But that's about it. It doesn't take much to get this. And let me tell you something. These things put you in the sunlight. These things taste as good as they look. All right, folks. Live well. Grow better. And follow me back to Eden.